In the last question we did, we used just some lines in a triangle to find the midpoint of a line segment. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to do both. We're going to use the triangle, which would just be right here. And we can find the midpoints. We'll call that E. Or we could do something simpler. There's a formula that's created. It's called the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula, midpoint of the points C and D is equal to the average between the x values, x1 plus x2 over 2, and then the average of the y values. Okay, that's a little, we're going to try and use a finer point on this. So if we're dealing with the midpoint of CD, we want the x value of C and the x value of D, the y value of C, the y value of D. We're going to fill those values in. So C has an x value of 2, D has an x value of 4. So the midpoint of CD equals 2 plus 4 divided by 2. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 and 1. 1 plus 7 over 2 equals 6 over 2, comma, 8 over 2. Simplifies to the coordinate point of 3, 4. So the midpoint, CD, should be at 3, 4, right here. So this is the M of CD. Proof. Always good to have proof. If you look at your graph, halfway between 2 and 4 is 3. Halfway. And then halfway between 1 and 7 is 4. 3 this way, 3 this way, gives us this value here, 4. So that's why we have that coordinate point of 3, 4.